Welcome to Creatober 2023 Day 2. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. So for the second day I wanted to make this vintage looking poster with a human head with its brains out, connected to some wires and cables. I did some modeling in Cinema 4D to make a dent in the top of the head. This way the brain will be visible. And after making the cables, the material and preparing the render, I drew some tribal shapes to fill the gaps of the poster. It was actually pretty cool to work with a triple color palette and I'm really happy with how it turned out. The font I used for the title is called Row the Myth. You can find it on my website. I also dropped in some shapes from the Dread Shapes Volume 3 with some layer styles on them. I used some shocks that I drew in Creatober back in 2021 when I designed a Yu-Gi-Oh card, so I had some quick shock drawings that I could link to the head. I topped off the poster with some sandpaper textures from my Paper Pack Volume 2, and that was that.